Yo, what up, Casey? How's it going, Casey? What up, my other peeps? How's everyone doing tonight? Guys, ready to break our 3-box mixer here? Triple Threads, Platinum, and Valor 2015. Yo, what up, Roger? Yeah, I'm glad you're getting to look at one of the breaks here, Casey. I'm sorry you didn't get in there. Those last couple spots got snapped up pretty quick, but we got a pick your spot full case break coming up in a couple days here that we'll post soon. Yeah, you gotta get in quick. Sometimes they don't fill for a week and then all of a sudden they fill, but it's all good. Got a full case of rookies and stars coming in for pretty cheap. Pick your team this time for our next break. As you see there's 2 hits up on top. Those are gonna be for hitless guys. Since there's no full skunk protection, those cards will be randomized between the hitless bros. Robert Woods patch auto and a Jared Allen dual relic out of clear vision. And I'll add some extra cards to the Mega Breaks giveaway for the month of January there. A couple more cards going to get added to it. At the end of the month, we'll randomize that list and you guys will come away with some stuff. But first things first, we got to rip these boxes and see what we get out of them. We'll give it a couple more minutes to see if we get any more stragglers jumping in. Then we'll get to it. Just making sure I'm still live with no lag. Looks like lag is okay. Doesn't look like anyone else is going to be showing up live. Got a few people in here though. Thank you guys for watching live. Get going here in a minute. That'd be nice. Emmett or Aikman auto. You never know with the triple threads. Got a big old checklist. I think there's Emmett autos at least in that. But you never know. It's a long shot. That would be sweet though. There's no Emmett or Aikman in triple threads. I haven't really. Not tonight. Yeah. Maybe. That'd be sweet. Who's got Cowboys? Leland's got Cowboys. Got Cowboys and Titans. Okay, we'll get this going. Doesn't look like anyone else is going to be joining. So we'll go in the order as I have them right now. So we'll go with Valor, Platinum, and then Triple Threads for last. Just move these cards for now. Random those off at the end for you guys. For the hitless people. But we'll start it up, guys. Here's our first box. Valor, 4 hits in here, 2 autos, 2 relics. I think it's 20 total packs, 20 or 24, 20, yeah. 20 packs. Best of luck, everyone. Here's our first box. Here we go, 2015 Valor. There's all our packs, empty box. Let's get these going. Okay, everyone, best of luck. Here we go. 4 total hits here. first pack. Prince of Mukamara, Rogers Cromartie, Tevin Coleman. Okay, just upside down card. Phillip Rivers, Des Bryant, DeAndre Hopkins. First pack down. Let me get these other cards out of the way. Need a little room for all the base. Okay, next pack. Byron Maxwell, Alvin Dupree, Randy Gregory, Howie Long, Ronnie Lott, Brandon Marshall. Next pack. Dante Fowler, Shane Ray, Matt Ryan, Julio Jones, Jordy Nelson, T.Y. Hilton. All base so far. Oh, looks like we got our first hit in this one. Got a thick card here. Let's see who we have. We got Denard Robinson up on top. Let's see what we got for our first hit. Todd Gurley starting her off. Nice. 64 out of 99 patch. 2-color patch there. Nice little patchy there for the Rams. Nice. Good way to start her off. 64 out of 99, 2-color. And that would be for Tyler B. with the Rams. And wherever my marker went, I'll mark that at the end when we have our, we're going through our hit list. So Tyler B. getting that first one. Nice. Todd Gurley. Now the Los Angeles Rams. Kind of crazy. Eric Armstead. Owamagabwe Obedizua. Or however the hell you say that guy's name. J.J. Watt. Colin Kaepernick. Blake Bortles. Jeremy Maclin. Bases. Boop-de-doo. Clowney. Roger Staubach. Andre Ellington. Deshaun Jackson. A.J. Green. Steve Smith Sr. Cap, yeah. Who knows where Cap's gonna go. JPP, Robert Quinn, Jeremy Maclin, Teddy Bridgewater, Vincent Jackson, Muhammad Wilkerson. Next pack. Looks like we have something else thick in here, potentially. Let's see what we got. Maybe not. Get Trey Mason base card. Justin Houston. Rashad Jennings. Oh, there's a thick one. Titans. Doyle Green Beckham. 58 out of 75. Jumbo patch for the Titans. I believe that's Leland Lawrence on that one. Green Beckham. Good young receiver there. Nice little jumbo patch there for you, Leland. And our base. Okay, next pack. Looking for our autos now. 2 of them in here. Cameron Wake, DeMarcus Ware, C.J. Mosley numbered card out of 199 parallel. Russell Wilson, Tony Lippett, Carlos Williams, couple of rookies there. Last pack of this stack here. Mario Williams, Julius Peppers, Leonard Williams, Matt Forte, Max Williams, Terrence McGee. Okay, first stack down. On to the next one. Looking for those 2 autos still. Lawrence Taylor, Luke Kuechly, Vic Beasley, Aaron Rodgers, Gio Bernard, Jamal Charles, all base. Next pack. Denzel Perriman, Eric Kendricks, Lawrence Taylor, Le'Veon, Jeremy Hill, Jerome Bettis. Next pack. Paul Dawson, Benedict McKinney, Clay Matthews, RG3, John Riggins, Joik Bell. All base. Looking for those autos. T. Suggs, Von Miller, Matt Ryan, DeMarco Murray, Lamar Miller, Marshall Falk. All base. Gerald McCoy, LaShawn McCoy. Oh, looks like our first auto here for the Broncos. Yep. Jeff Hoyerman at a 99 auto for the Broncos. I think JTC's grabbing that one. Yep, Jonathan's got it. Jeff Hoyerman out of 99. And we got Lacey, Emmett Smith, Gale Sayers. So we're looking for our patch auto now. Lily, Danny Shelton, Cam Newton, Clive Walford, Malcolm Brown, Trey McBride. Yeah, I see a lot of these Hoyerman autos in here. Oh, looks like our patch auto there. I didn't see what it was just yet. It's a thick one there. Jonathan Stewart, let's see what it is. Good luck, everyone. Browns, Duke Johnson. 2-color patch auto out of 99. So not a big showstopper hit, but pretty nice one. Duke Johnson. 2-color, part of his number there, it looks like. And Browns was for Mike Hilbrandt's got it. Yeah, you never know with the Browns. They're getting rid of Manziel probably, and with that new coach. But Duke Johnson was okay, but I think he got injured mid-season there. Eddie Goldman, Ndamukong Suh, Brandon Scherf at a 299 parallel for the Redskins. Tony Romo, Chris Conley, Josh Robinson. 2 more packs left in the Valor, and then we'll do our Platinum. And then the triple threads. Geno Atkins, Phil Simms, Mark Ingram, Jeremy Langford, Alfred Morris, Andre Williams. Last pack in Valor here. Sheldon Richardson, Aaron Donald, Brian Cushing. Looks a little different, maybe an insert there. It's kind of crazy looking. Cool looking card. Tom Brady, Bo Jackson, and CJ Anderson is the last one in Valor. Let me just mark down who got the hits in that first box real quick here, guys. stay up to date with that. I knew where my pen went. There it is. A little dark there for a second. Sorry about that. Okay, so we had JTC, Tyler B, Leland, and Mike Hilbrandt all got a hit. So 4 different people got 4 hits in that one. Or a hit each, excuse me. So here we go with our platinum now. Let's get these cards in order so we have enough room for everything. Lots of base in this next box. Okay. Let's get to our platinum now. Topps platinum, 2 rookie autos and then 1 autograph patch, so 3 total autos in the box. 20 packs, 5 cards a pack. Lots of base here. Best of luck to everyone. See if we can pull some nice cards here. And then there's our triple threads with 4 hits in it for last. Empty box. And there's our packs. Okay, do them right down the line here. Best of luck, everyone. Here we go. First pack. Matthews, Jennings, Jeremy Hill, Marcel Darius, Vince Mail. Olsen, Bridgewater, Brett Hundley, X-Fractor, Robert Quinn, Jamison Crowder, rookie. Next. Mike Evans, Le'Veon Bell, Latavius Murray, CJ Mosley, Devin Smith, rookie. Next. Yeah, the chat's normally pretty quiet. Usually only a couple people are logged in like you are, Casey. Most people watch from their phones and the app doesn't let you chat from it. I think there's a couple guys in here. Echo, anyone in there? Oh, looks like we might have our first hit here. Got something backwards. Let's pull out what's behind it. Kevin White. Got our thick one, Darrelle Revis. And then, looks like we got a Bryce Petty auto for the Jets. Yep. Bryce Petty, Jets autograph. It's our first one. Bryce Petty, who's that going to? Going to Daniel Utley. There you go, Daniel. Oh, I put this in the auto pack. There we go, or the auto stack. There's our base cards. Okay, next pack. First auto down. 2 more to go. Sue, Williams, Edelman, Jordan Cameron, Mir Abdullah, rookie. Next. Kuechly, Romo, Bradford, Watkins, Carlos Williams, rookie. Next pack. Jimmy Graham, Patrick Peterson. Woo. And we got a Peyton Manning die cut flopping out there for the Broncos. No number on those. And we got Martellus Bennett, Philip Dorsett, rookie. Next pack. Kaepernick, Breeze, Sanders, Tannehill, Todd Gurley, rookie. Next pack. Oh, it feels like a thick one here. Yep, this looks like it'll be probably our patch auto in here. Oh, it's kind of just sitting right there, so flip her around here. Let's see, we got Mike Davis, base card. Calvin Johnson is the golden parallel, and oh wow, they gave us another Jeff Hoyerman auto. That's kind of whack. For the Broncos, Broncos like it. 3-color patch auto for Jeff Hoyerman, so Jonathan, JTC's getting another Hoyerman auto. What are the chances of that? That's kind of weird. I mean, at least give us a Jameis Winston auto. Come on. JTC's getting that one. So only one more auto left. Got a lot of packs to get through here still. Hopefully we'll make up for that kind of a dud auto. Let's see. Travis Kelce, Richard Sherman, Mir Abdullah, X-Fractor, Cobb, Winston RC. Okay, next stack of packs here. Matt Ryan, Phillip Rivers, Alshon Jeffrey, T.Y. Hilton, Rashad Green. No numbered cards yet. Oh, like a cool numbered one. Eddie Lacy, Lamar Miller. Oh, looks like we got potentially our last auto already. Let's see. Alvin Dupree, gold Matt Forte, and who is this? Titus Davis. 11 out of 150 autograph for the Chargers. It's kind of random. Never really heard of him. Wide receiver. Maybe he's going to be a stud. Who knows? They move to LA and he'll be a beast. See who's got Chargers. Eugene Willingham's got him. That's probably all our autos we have. Let's see if we can pull anything else. Probably another die cut, maybe a couple numbered cards. Let's see. Zach Ertz, T. Sizzle, Chandler Jones, Mark Ingram, Brandon Scherf. D-Mac, DeMarco Murray, David Johnson, X-Fractor card, Greg Hardy, Sammy Coates rookie. Sean McCoy, Jordan Matthews, Des Bryant, J.J. Watt, Clive Walford. JPP, Von Miller, blue, not a numbered ones though. Kenny Bell, Buccaneers rookie. Tom Brady, Melvin Gordon. Yeah, I didn't think there were any other hits for Chargers besides Melvin Gordon, since I thought that auto was going to be. It's too bad. Julius Thomas, Gronk, Frank Gore, RG3, David Johnson rookie. 3 more packs. Levante David, Jared Allen, Melvin Gordon, X-Fractor, Jordy Nelson, Jalen Strong rookie. 2 more packs. Let's see a numbered base card here. I haven't seen one of those yet. It's kind of weird. Usually get one. Kelvin Benjamin, Julio Jones, Vic Beasley refractor, Justin Forsett, Brett Hundley RC. Okay, last pack of platinum, and then it's on to triple threads. Roethlisberger, Aaron Rodgers, no numbered card, I don't think. C.J. Anderson, Peyton Manning, Vic Beasley. Yeah, it's weird. No numbered base card. Usually get at least one in platinum. Okay, so here is our triple threads. 4 total hits, a patch and an auto in each mini box. There's 2 little mini boxes in here. Autos are both relic autos. And you get the numbered, low numbered relic card. So there's our mini boxes here. Let me just mark who's got those hits in that last box. We got Charger, so Eugene. JTC got another Bronco. Who else we get? And we got the Jets, so Daniel got them. Okay. Guys are marked down. Here we go with our triple threads. Stay tuned after the break. If you went hitless after the recap, we'll do the drawing for the 2 hitless cards that I put in. We got 2 packs with a sizable difference in size, it seems like. Maybe we'll get crazy lucky and get some sort of nutty hit out of that big one. Let's see. Best of luck to everyone. Here we go. Let's open it up so I don't reveal the hits right off the bat. Base up front. Let's pull from the bottom like this. So we got Arian Foster here at a 50 for the Texans. Parallel card. Bears Matt Forte at a 25, 20 out of 25. Sammy Watkins base card. Jerry Rice base. Paul Hornung base card. And then, whoa, looks like we got a sweet Packers card here. Let's see what this is. Randall Cobb, Eddie Lacy, Jordy Nelson. Let's see what we got here. Woo! That's a Packers hit, boy. Nice. Triple patch auto at a 11 out of 16. Or 18. Yeah, 11 out of 18. Nice. For the Packers, I think Roger, there you go. Roger's got that one. Yeah, baby, Roger says. Nice. Good hit there for you, Roger. I was afraid you might go hitless in this. Pretty sweet. They in the playoffs, too. Nice. There you go, Roger. Glad you got a hit there. Cobb, Lacy, and Nelson. Triple patch auto. Sweet. Okay, and then our next card here, our next going to be a relic card for the Buccaneers. So there you go, Roger. You're getting a, you had Bucks again, didn't you? Jameis Winston, let's see what you got here. That's a standard kind of jumbo relic there. I had a 50 for you, Roger. When it rains, it pours. There you go, Roger. A couple of hits there for you right in a row. 44 out of 50 Winston Jumbo. Okay, so here's our next pack. Let me just mark Roger down. He's got a hit. Got a couple hits. And we'll see who can get these next cards. Best of luck, everyone. Doesn't look like we have a booklet in this one. I thought that one looked a little thicker, but not really. Get these base up on top. Okay, here we go, guys. Best of luck. Curtis Martin. out of 99. Sam Bradford on the Eagles out of 199. Darrelle Revis, Jets base card. Matt Forte sticking to the other thing here. Matt Forte base, Chicago. Terrell Davis base card. And our first hit in mini box number 2 for the Chiefs, guy who got a touchdown at the end of the game there, Chris Conley. Looks like patch auto here. Patch auto, one color, 62 out of 75, Chris Conley for the Chiefs. Not bad. Hopefully his stock will go down after they lose horribly to the Patriots this weekend. We can only hope. Let's see. Chiefs is Ken Huber. There you go, Ken, getting a nice little Chris Conley. At a 75 patch auto. And our last card of the break, sitting right there, we have Darrelle Revis, Jets. It's going to be one of those vertical style patches here. Let's see what kind of numbering we can get on it. Looks like a more base style one. I think base is out of 36. It's out of 27. 14 out of 27. 2 color. Yeah, white and green there. Darrelle Revis. Island, nice. Pretty cool relic there for the Jets. Daniel getting another hit there. Congrats to him. Yeah, that's a nice patch there. So let's run through everything we got here real quick, and then you hitless guys will be in the giveaway for those 2 cards I popped in. So we got Darrelle Revis out of 27, 2-color relic. Chris Conley out of 75, patch auto, Chiefs. Winston out of 50, jumbo. And then our cracker hit of the night for sure. Cobb, Lacey, Nelson, triple patch autos for Roger and the Packers. Nice hit there. And our platinum out of 150, Titus Davis. And then our couple of Hoyermans here. Hoyerman patch auto, 3-color out of platinum. Bryce Petty auto. Oh, that was just a numbered card. I'll put that with the parallels. Bryce Petty standard auto there. And then getting to our Valor, we got a 2-color patch auto out of 99, Duke Johnson. And then there's our other Hoyerman out of 99. A couple of parallels there. And out of 75, DGB, Dorial Green Beckham, jumbo. And then back to our very first hit of the night, Todd Gurley out of 99, 2-color patch. So those are all our hits. Now we'll do our giveaway for these 2 cards I'm tossing in for the hitless guys. Robert Woods Upper Deck SPX patch auto, and Jared Allen Clear Vision Clear History out of 99 dual relics. So give me a minute here and I'll pop in the random. 1 second, guys. Okay, 1 second, and I'll get our list accurate here. So Roger got a hit, Tyler B got a hit, JTC got some hits, Daniel some hits, Leland, Mike, and Eugene all got hits. Ken Huber got a hit as well. Let me just check that. I'm pretty sure he did it the last hit. One of those. Chiefs, yeah, he got the Chris Conley. Delete him off the list. Okay, get this set up. Okay. Here's everyone who went hitless in the break. Aaron Todd, TJ Crickmore, Adam Rochelle, Lorenzo Garcia, Kevin Kiesinger, James Bedell, Adam Lackey, Scott Crow, Dan Marks. You guys all went hitless. So we'll random this list 7 times, and the top 2 will each get the cards. Number 1 will get Robert Woods patch auto, and number 2 will get the Jared Allen dual relic. Thank you, Roger. Yeah, thanks for joining, man. Glad you got that sweet hit there. Get a little bit of breakception here as I pop over there. Give me 1 second. We'll get this going. Okay, so 7 times on this, guys. Best of luck. The top 2 win the cards. Number 1, the auto. Number 2, the relic. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Thank you all for joining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's the last one. Top 2 win. Here we go. Good luck. Adam Lackey gets the Robert Woods patch auto from Upper Deck, and Dan Marks gets the Jared Allen dual relic card from Clear Vision. So let me mark that down. Congrats to those 2. Adam's got the Robert. Dan's got the dual relic. Okay, oops. So that is it, everyone. Thank you all for joining the break. I got a case of 2014 Rookies and Stars that we're going to do pick your team style. Post that in the next couple days when I get confirmation that it's going to be here soon. So each team will have a different price point as what it costs according to the type of hits that are in the checklist for it. Some will be cheaper, some will be more expensive. We'll post that in a couple days here. And I'll put some extra cards in the break giveaway, the mega card giveaway for January, now that we've completed this break. Thank you all for filling it up. Get you some extra cards there. And I'll update that list, of course. But that's it for this break, guys. Thank you all once again for joining. See you around the next couple of days. So you'll be up on YouTube in about as long as it took to break it. Let me know if you guys got any questions or any new addresses or anything. Send me a message and I'll get those out to you. These cards out most likely tomorrow afternoon. Thank you all for joining the break once again. Have a good night. Later, guys.